Hello Year 1, today in Maths we are going to be learning about non-standard measurement of different objects. So that means that we're going to be using cubes and counters to measure different objects and how we can do that accurately so that we get the right measurements. So pause the video to tell your adult what the word measure means and what could you use to measure a pencil. So the word measure means that we're trying to find out how long or how tall something is. And we could use a ruler to measure, but today we're going to be using counters and cubes. So use the cubes to measure this pencil. So I'll just move my face there. So remember, we have to go right from the edge of our object so that we're making sure that we get the right amount. So there, make it at the end. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then we just check that it goes to the edge of the pencil. So we'll count that together again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The pencil is 9 cubes long, and as you can see there are no gaps between my cubes. So if I had a gap like that, that's not very accurate because we have some space. Now another example, and you can do this at home with your mums, so you can get your notebook or just any book that you've got and you can find some cubes or counters, and if you don't have counters you can use money or anything small like that. The book is, remember, go to the edge of the book. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So it's a little bit extra on the book. So but we have, the book is 11 cubes long. And then we've got the same with our laptop. So from the edge, but this time we've got counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, making sure there are no gaps. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now pause the video and tell your adult if you think that I have done this accurately. Now you should say that I didn't do it accurately because I had a big gap, so we need to move those along. And we can add in another one. So the laptop is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 counters long. Now your turn. You are going to measure your notebook to see how many counters long it is. And if you don't have counters at home, you can make some with little circles of paper, or you could find some coins like 5p coins or 2p coins. And remember to start at the edge of the object, at the edge of your notebook, and don't have any gaps, and go all the way to the other end. And now you're going to do the same with another book, and you're going to say cubes and counters and scissors. Or if you don't have scissors, you could use a felt tip pen or a pencil. So try to measure different things in your house with cubes and counters. And if you don't have cubes and counters, remember you can use money or other objects, maybe even some little toys that you might have. Okay. And remember to send photos of your work to the Year 1 email address so that we can check your work and give you some comments.